Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to reset Google Chrome to its default settings quickly and easily, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the upper right corner, click on the three-dot menu to open the drop-down list. From there, select Settings to open Chrome's Settings page. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down and click on Reset Settings. Now, look for the option that says Restore settings to their original defaults, and click on it. A confirmation window will pop up, explaining what changes will be made when you reset Chrome. If you're sure you want to proceed, simply click on the Reset Settings button. Chrome will then start the reset process, restoring everything back to its original default state. And that's it. You've successfully reset Google Chrome to its default settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.